I don't even know where to start.
Bing, bing, bing.
You're right, Duolingo Math can help. Whoa! Duolingo Math has everything I'm learning in school, all in one place. Instead of cramming the night before, I'll keep my streak alive with interactive lessons every day. It's okay if I get stuck because Duolingo Math breaks down every problem one step at a time. And soon, when I'm learning new math concepts, Eddie, my personal Duolingo math tutor, will guide me through it.
Incredible!
Whether I'm brushing up on fractions and long division or studying new things like algebra and exponents, Duolingo Math has it covered.
Whoopee, 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 whoopee.
Learn with Duolingo Math today.